Girl, you are the best prize. Baby, you sweet and me love your breast size. Body and fleek, me they separate ties.
Now think of what you could do with this money. Get a Benz, get rid of your Nissan Sunny whenever it's cold. Fly somewhere sunny. Have you ever heard of a land of milk and honey? It's not Bob.
Checks in my hands, I got money to flow. Everybody see me, I ain't really touching no doors. I be flicking my watches, watch be freezing.
Cause people f you up and then come with apologies. I'm finna leave, never come back like what my father did. The guy up. Yeah, people, so today we're there and I want to feel again. Off the Jamaican public free style. What's on people? Thanks for 25k subscribers.
Yeah, man.
We're on the road to 30.
25.4.
25.
No, but that's not try catching back for the last. What's on people? Make sure to like, comment, share.
And subscribe. We're on the road to 30k subscribers.
Road to 30K.
Run it up. Share the video with the people. What's on?
Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said before,
every
you go
time.
President Basil for videos.
Every day.
Camera motions.
Every hour.
Ocean motions.
Every minute.
On to the next.
Freestyle.
Blazing because it's OTP down.
Yeah, people, so today we're there with
Tell me name, tell me IG.
You know Panasonic attack, you know. More everybody knows say yo, they got the new Magnum competition, Magnum top performer. You can go up Magnum Tonic. I got the website at magnumhub.tv/top performer. Vote for Panasonic. You see me? I vote one. This is our second round and it start from Thursday gone and it end Tuesday. I'm on the support. You see me?
Yeah, people, so today we're with. Tell me name.
Bad Bridge.
Intellect.
Your IG.
045.
IG, your YouTube, that's it.
Fully bright. Yeah.
Internet music on YouTube. Tell me name.
King Oreign, it is KINGOREIGN. I don't know, see, I'm bigger than that place now. You don't know settings already.
Malcolm X.
I just starting our show.
Tell me IG, tell me everything.
You know it, Shebs. That boy LRT. You get man say? Don't misspell it. Alert.
Yeah. And I feel girl, let me know. Girl, you are the best prize. Baby, you sweet and me love your breast size. Body and fleek, me they separate ties. Champion body, yeah, you have the best prize. And the champions are the she a give the best prize. Pull off your skirt, me no pull neckties. Real top man, she a give the best prize. Walking trophy, she a forget eyes. But a real top man, she a give the best. Bills me no contest, no me no compete. But if I feel the body, then me we come tweet. The perfect figure make a nigga complete. Make a grip up on a back so they can run deep. Hey, yeah. I go again. Yeah. So I'ma do for Magnum. Yeah, me got the money on mine. If I know the money, me no going online. You have 5 minutes, girl, hurry and wine. Have a broke off in me, I'm going beyond time. When I do this stuff, make my mommy pass the worst. Tell me that they stop work on the market truck. My better go to college and mash it up. So me step on the stage and scratch it up. Yeah. Only no know the half, you know. Anybody try run up, I go last, you know. Passing on this off me food. Chance it up, mash up anywhere, mash up it chance, you know. Me come fi take it home, me come fi take the throne. Me a the baddest in the world, me come fi make it known. So anybody na the show, think fi take my crown. Better go take a bag of taxi till they make it home. Besides the good one, the best to go home. Brother the hottest a producer, them a text my phone, a press my phone. I said them really want to take my son and put it on the beat and you to make the tone. Yeah, me a the money on mine. If I know the money, me no good. Yeah.
Alright. Watch out, people.
That's it.
I mean, no, I want to chop. We don't top. What's going on? I want to top. More money, got the top. Okay, what's the roy? I'm going to try. Yeah, man, I'm going to.
I say, him bad down.
You know the try.
On to the next freestylers.
So we're just chatting at this. Everything record. Live, you know, we're there, so outside. So outside, you know, 045, big up the whole inside, you know. We're there active, you see it? Yeah, no. Now think of what you could do with this money. Get a Benz, get rid of your Nissan Sunny whenever it's cold. Fly somewhere sunny. Have you ever heard of a land of milk and honey? It's not Bob. I want you to listen to me carefully for you to get the money. We need to do this quickly. Hello?
Bob, can you hear me? Marvelous. Now, you have the option of choosing your speed of delivery. We have standard and then we have speedy. I would recommend speedy due to the size of your TV, which is of course backed by a 3-year warranty. Now, Bob, there are only 2 steps left to victory. First, what we call a depository fee. Second, you claiming your money, TV, and SUV with a valid ID. Hello? Bob, can you hear me? Hello?
Hey, intellectual murder people edition.
And I'm a zone, you like me for me flick your dirty dome. Your body drop your summer cold at the place where me grow. Freestyle we kick it, never missing me and your girl the victim. Passer by and stranger pick him, not a soul for witness. Bury them no need a casket, no one can ID him. The chrome the hungry like a leech, me da find something feed it. Send some Gucci to the fast, I tell them me no need it. Have to analyze my circle, some put the pre-me. Purge the greatest at the latest hours of my latex. Now if you ask them on the shit, ask them on the sailors. We are the lonely highway with them can try to find zero. Silent the get disappear a magician. We have some shooter on my foot and them no look back. Brad, they trick him, kill him, bury with it. Be a fierce in it, the berries are not gonna finish.
They hit that magenta.
Now the next one, man.
Next one?
Yeah, next one, man. Yeah. Me have it on my phone.
Have it on your phone. Read it fast.
Yo, checks in my hands, I got money to flow. Everybody see me, I ain't really touching no doughs. I be flicking my watches, watch be freezing. Every time she see me, yeah, be teasing. I ain't got no time, but you know I got money. Money be coming, so these bitches be running towards me. I don't got no problem with it. My mother say, yo, Ricky, get money. That's the problem with it. I'm just running and I'm running up. Every time you see me, I got guns, I might gun you up. 30 in the clip, got expansions with it. Every time you see me and them bitches getting fidgets, I don't really give a shit. On my dogs, I got fleas. Every time you see me, I be smoking on some trees. High like a bird, catch this flick though. This is how they call me, LRT or Rick though. That's a classic. Every time they see me, yo, no bitches always chase me. I don't give a what. This is what I do, and hey, I could switch up the flow anytime I feel the vibe. Then she tell me that she like me, so she come and take a ride. Damn, then she gonna take a flight. I ain't really making time, I just wanna make money, nothing funny. God, we give me time. This is how I do it. Okay, I love you, that was a typo. I ain't loving no hoe. This is what I do, I ain't swimming, I always take a boat. Okay, this is how I flow though. This is what I do, cause I always this a no-go. Bitch wanna love me, I say nah, that's a no-go. I tell you that I love you, no.
That's called motherfucking bars, nigga!
I mean, I say no, it's a weed song, you see it? We start it now. Wait till the rhythm start up and thing, no? Yeah, weed there keep Jackie Chan, make me brain disappear magician. Add more weight to the wizard addition, make me miss well deep and strong. Weed just on a kin of made pot and pan. Married to the women and cheat, I'm a married man. But they are Jamaica, but my brain they are England. Send weed to the brain monogram, chop up the wheel like onion. Weed in a Fimian, no father than son take a puff and me reach a Japan. Weed make me fly like pigeon, watch out me float back down on the rhythm. Weed a call my name like a phone, weed a we da call my name like a phone, it ringing. Weed to my brain now, coconut stiffing, make it top lifting. Me love freaky girl, in my type of the rest. If I'm out the type, me da use Vaseline, slide in and slide out back. Girl, if don't punk, down in your neck back, yeah. Down in your neck back, yeah. Ride and ride, what a something tight. So keep me fly like kite. Touch your back around and both sides sprite. Your friend them love me like rice and peas. You with the board tongue flat belly. Me love you the game, all the way up out of college. You blow, you blow, me get so much knowledge that you swallow.
Man, put beer for you up on the screen, dog. Shall it? Watch out. Is it? Yeah, man. Continue, dog.
Yo, I know it's your styness.
Yeah. So me say improvement one time, we never have it, now I care back a care like what more traffic. When our time come, just know we not panic. We see the millions and we not run from it. We not run from the buckle, the hard tackle movements. The start to collect tax like Matthew. Him think pop down, him drop down. When him see him get locked down, coulda chat till chat down, boy lock good, but this I got none boy. Anyways, at the money we are raised, we there in the fields from high school days. We not chase unless at the cash. So when them a chat, don't watch that. Yeah, I keep money daily. Alright, one second. Ready again? Alright. Yeah. Me nah settle for nothing too low. Me I go for everything. So me put on my clothes and my chain and my ring. Writing these checks, get the pen, start bar, start length. From a 10, miss a universe like Skilly Bang. Me winning though me sinning, yeah me singing and me chilling. Now your girl I want me digging, so she willing. So me begin the digging, the drilling. Left the white stuff like the kids keep feeling. You see me?
Alright. Listen, get somebody them. Get somebody them.
Nah, get somebody them.
What's the
Banana skip on him.
What?
Banana skip on him. Watch out. We can jam man, we can jam man.
Girl,
come on me yard, come bounce, come girl. Come on me yard, for your weave and money. Girl, come on me yard, come sit down, come. Come on me yard. We can see it, say you never love him. That's why you come here, so no fi burn him. So me no know who you come and tell about loving. Enough of that, no more time for body bucking. Here what she do? She make the ass throw back and I never Thursday. Slim shape good but I can't sturdy. Belly flat, belly smooth but I can't sturdy. Belly bust when me hold it on a 6:30. She smoke weed, drink liquor, she no f with the pill. Cross out, she can't talk, just teach she a grin. White sex, wild out, she a bubble pan the. Me make she so wet, creamy. See a drip. Squeeze pan the chick up, me make a bang bang. Rings nation, no itch for dirt, them caution. World Bank, we full of gunman, friend 63 TX road, you hear me mate. In a waist, me talk the clutchy, shot him out, me just go cut it. Bulldog a back, run up if you're lucky. Skin like a chicken, see your neck, me a go cut it. Even bad like me brother, bad and that give her the weather. Satan himself, even know about them body. Black blast on your skin and make it fun like a gabba. Push funeral, no hash, we a go bill them to the cup. Yeah.
I'm going nuts for this money, nigga, cashews. My bullet come to you for an interview. Borrowed your bitch and a bullet is the collateral. 4 side bitches, quadrilateral. 2 on the left, 2 on the right, equilateral. 2 on the left, 2 on the right, equilibrium. Lethan on a period, I call it lithium. Her ass crazy, put her in asylum. I kill all my exes, I'm the exterminator. I step on this weed, it's like an elevator. I don't got no class, just got some high grades. Nigga, I serve bullet on your chest plate. That girl green, but I still told her roll on. She looked at my dick, she said so long. She got 2 friends that's still on. They ride all night, 100 furlongs. Damn, yeah. Yeah, no, you crazy nigga. Yeah. Yeah, buck up a spliff and enter in my higher consciousness. I'm sitting down, but I'm turning up my precautiousness. Cause people f you up and then come with apologies. I'm finna leave, never come back like what my father did. They got your brain, now you chap like it's a genre. You love the camera life, your life go be a drama. Just keep it low-key and your life will just be calmer. Suppose I tell you that your killer's round the corner. You are what you wanna be, do not be your wannabe. This is my philosophy, ain't nobody the boss of me. I am not the Trinity, body, mind, and spiritly. Heart full of iniquity that fuck up my vicinity. Heights of extremity, that is my proclivity. Take a second, see with me, I'll tell you about my liberty. Street is the jungle, I have an immunity. Get it in the bundle, go feed my community. Nobody the boss of me, preaching for equality. They give us minority, most of the authority. People love the quantity, but do not pray the quality. Nigga, I'm the prodigy, analogy a part of me. Nah. Yeah.
The people, when they hear what I'm going, let's make sure to go check out the thing. Watch out now.
And after I'm pretty people up to the time, it's court. Hello. In like, no.
Watch out people, on to the next.
Freestylist.
Ready now, ever active out here saying a 045 so outside every day a week, you know. From a war, then a war, Anna. You know, see me stall, Anna. Head up, boom like ball, Anna. Man, I go fall from her. You know, cool, just a cartoon like you're frozen. Not about the posing, me a the king, the chosen. The echo latter than a cake. Roast skin like oven, fine with them hang out, with them up with the hose. Them firing pin for me force, them no nose ring to the thing. Loaning kin on my skin, don't feel that eat a green when it 38 has been friends. Them ready to go defend the thing. We at them with it, run them a run, so we turn them in a spirit. We out them like cricket, we bad every second, every day, every minute. Squeeze till it breeze, now ease till it finish. Man, rougher than a rough cat. You see, true, no catch me on a professional game, I can't do it. So, with the active said, remember to find a page, Intellect Music, on YouTube, you see it.
Long time we know we have greatness. We been waiting the moment for own it. Tell us say you a victory me claiming.
I'm making necessary changes. Tell you say, jump a gun and turn where you must say mad. Off like a rocket, you scrap body bug. Hear things them talk and me they are still a chad. Now live the place, so me know them a go mad. Your failure dismiss. Now waste no time of fitness. This shit done record. And when me tell you say me claiming victory. Boy. Long time me want it, we set the target. From me a help me sub challenge to market. People take our goods and I want to pay like conflict them want it. Good thing me never wanted, to become most wanted. Cause if I so properly by now me gone still. But me still there to this day. That's how all it out for me born to be great. So a long time me know me have greatness.
Now you reach to the end of the video. Like, comment, share.